Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Keisha Owens with Side Hustle Keisha. I bring you daily videos and tips on ways you can make money from home. You guys know I don't only bring you opportunities that you can do from home, work from home, make money from home. I also bring you opportunities for you to make money running errands. When you're running errands and you're at the store, you can do an amazing survey, or you can do a review, or you can observe other businesses and make money. So I'm going to be bringing you all kind of opportunities. If you're looking for a full-time job, a part-time job, a side hustle, extra money hustle, I'm going to bring it to you guys. Okay. I'm also going to be sharing opportunities for you to make passive income. That means you make money in your sleep. When you wake up to notifications on your phone that you've made money while you were taking a beauty nap, or while you were in the grocery store, or while you were on vacation with your family, that's the best feeling in the whole wide world. So I'm going to continue to bring you opportunities for you to make money from home, whether it be an actual job or an opportunity for you to become a amazing entrepreneur. So let's jump right into the work from home tip of the day. You guys, we're talking about always giving you tips to help you excel and your work from home opportunity. Make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification button so every time I upload a tip of the day or a work from home opportunity or a passive income opportunity, you're notified. Most importantly, make sure you tell me what you think about this video. I want to hear your feedback. If they're finding this valuable information helpful to you, okay, I want you to drop a comment below. I want you to hit the like button. Even if you dislike it, tell me how you feel. Opinions help me change and grow as a YouTuber. Okay, so you guys, listen, the tip of the day. Okay, this is going to be the number one tip of the day. Well, actually, it's tip number 7, because I'm going to be doing about 25 tips for you here. This is tip number 7. This tip is going to allow you to stay organized and stay productive on a daily basis. So this tip of the day is making sure that you create a daily to-do list. Okay, you have to create a daily to-do list. When you're working from home, you know, you're often your own boss. Okay, so you are your own boss. No one's looking over your shoulders. No one's going to make sure you're doing what you're supposed to be doing. So you have to create a daily to-do list so you get things done, and you get them done, and you're productive and you're effective, and you're being the work from home queen or king. You're maximizing your time. Okay, because it's all is about time freedom. You don't have to travel to work anymore. You're working from home. If you can do 8 hours and 6 hours, you're saving time and spending more time with your family, or getting rest, or doing whatever else you love, right? So let's go ahead and talk about creating this daily to-do list. Okay, so you're going to create this daily to-do list because you want to keep track of everything that you're doing. It's kind of easy for you to get sidetracked and not be so hard on deadlines when you know that there's no one over breathing down your neck, or no one that you have to answer to when you have to answer to you, right? So you want to make sure that you create a to-do list. You want to write them down. When you complete them, you want to mark them off. You also want to find out what is going to be, you also want to make sure you find out you know, what you didn't get done for the day, so you can work on the next day. Okay, this is a way that you're going to stay productive. You're going to, know that you've completed each task, and just make you more effective. Okay, so make sure that you make a daily to-do list, and you mark off the things you get done. The things you didn't get done, you want to carry them over to the next day, but you want to make sure that you're completing your task. You don't want to have things to come back to, too much to come back to the following week. We want to be productive. We want to get these things done, because we are now our own work from home boss. Basically, we monitor what we do daily. We make sure it gets done. We make sure that we are moving things right along to maximize our time and make the most money, and be productive. Especially if you're going to be working for another company, you don't want to slack in any area. You want them to see that working from home is working best for you, and working from home is not letting you slow down in your production, especially if you're transitioning from the office and they're allowing you to work from home. You want to stay productive. Okay, but also, if you can do the work that you were doing in office, if you were doing that in 8 hours and you can do it from home and do it in 6, that's 2 hours you can do something else. You can work on your other business, you can exercise, you can prepare dinner for your family, spend time for your family. So remember, we want to be productive in our business. So we want to make a daily list and we want to follow up with it. You guys make sure you drop below, get the link to my #1 recommendation from working from home. You also get the link to my #1 way of making passive income online. It's always going to be in the description box below. Click on the link, tell me what you think, drop me a comment below, and I'll see you in my next tip of the day. You guys have a blessed day, okay? Bye-bye.